Hey, how's it going? Vladimir Dons here. So today I'm coming to you with day 7 of day 30 inside of my video challenge. And today the thing that I want to talk about is I want to talk about a basic marketing funnel for Facebook ads. And the reason why you need a basic marketing funnel is that you need to have a series of web pages, you need to have a series of pages that someone go through after they click on your ad inside of Facebook. Because what's going to happen is that someone's going to see your ad from Facebook, and then they're going to click on that ad, and then they're going to arrive to what we call a marketing funnel. Now, you don't want to send those individuals to a website because the website is not designed for conversion. A website is not designed to generate a lead, and in most cases, a website is not designed to generate a sale because it creates conversion. So today, the thing that I want you to consider is I want you to consider how many different web pages you want that individual to see in order for them to become a conversion. So let's just take an example. For example, I can say, hey, I want my person to see 3 pages as part of my marketing funnel. So what can those 3 pages be? The first page could simply be whereby I'm offering them something for free. When they arrive to that free page, my goal is to say, hey, I want to go ahead and give you a high converting landing page so that way you can generate more leads. All you have to do is provide me with your email address. So when someone arrives to the first page of quote unquote my marketing funnel, that's the text and that's the content that they will see. Now, I will need to talk about that a little bit more, talk about the benefit, talk about the benefit of them not using it. So once I talk about those different things, now that person is compelled to take the next step with me. That person is now all of a sudden going to give me their contact information in exchange for that high converting landing page. So that's the first page that I want that person to see. After that person sees that first page, they're going to go to a second page. And essentially at that second page, I can say, hey, now that you know how to convert your leads, now that you have a process to go ahead and generate leads and convert leads from your landing page, how about I help you with some traffic? How about I provide you with a course? It could be, a very, small price course. It could be a $37 course or a $47 course. How about I offer you this $47 course that's going to help you to now get traffic and send traffic to your landing page? So that's page number 2, right? And then if they take me up on that offer, the final page is going to be say, hey, thank you. Here's how you can go ahead and access your order. So as you can see, I have a series of pages that the individual is going to go through as part of quote unquote my marketing funnel. I didn't just send them to a website and tell them that, hey, you know what? Now that you've arrived to this website, there's a million different things that you can do. It doesn't necessarily, that's not in your best favor. That's not the best thing for you to do because you're not going to get the conversions that you can get. So you want to think about how many different pages or what are the series of pages you want someone to, to go through as part of, as part of your Facebook ads overall plan. By the way, if you need help with this type of stuff, later this week I'm hosting a web class, and the web class is called How to Grow Your Business Using Facebook Ads. I'm going to leave a link somewhere on this page. You can go ahead and click on that link, and the link is going to allow you to, join that web class. And the idea is that you're going to be able to come to that. You're going to come to that web class with questions, and you're going to leave with answers as it relates to how to grow your business using Facebook ads. That's it for this episode. I'll catch you on the next one.